Hungarian Hiccup.
Have you ever had hiccups that just wouldn't go away? While being surprised or scared sometimes works, other people try holding their breath or putting sugar under their tongue to get rid of the hiccups.
Henri Rousseau's painting, Tropical Storm with a Tiger, has a nickname. Surprised! It was the first painting he ever made in his Jungle series.
Cymbals have been around longer than just about any other orchestra instrument. The first cymbals were used in the Middle Ages. That's more than 1,500 years ago.
When the Roman Colosseum was built 2,000 years ago, the stadium could hold up to 50,000 people. Today, you won't find any people, but you will find a lot of cats. It's true. More than 2,000 cats call the Roman Colosseum home.
Can 4 hands play on one piano? Absolutely. That's what Johannes Brahms wanted when he wrote the Hungarian dances. 2 people, each with 2 hands, playing together on the same piano.
In December 1889, Johannes Brahms made history by being the first famous musician to have his voice recorded. He spoke and played his Hungarian dance for Thomas Edison's new invention, the cylinder recorder.
Even though Henri Rousseau is most famous for his jungle paintings, he never actually saw a jungle in real life. He got ideas for his art in books, magazines, zoos, and gardens.
Old Faithful at Yellowstone National Park is one of the most famous geysers in the whole world. Old Faithful goes off every 20 to 30 minutes and shoots hot water more than 5 stories into the air.